This short story for motivation has received 6 million views in 1 year. In today's video, I'm going to attempt to start a similar YouTube channel using 100% free AI tools to automate the entire creative process, from script writing to visuals and voiceover. I stumbled upon this idea while searching for channel automation ideas on YouTube. I found a channel that features short stories for motivation, which led me to research its daily and yearly income of this channel, which you can see on your screen. Okay, with that, I created our channel and proceeded to figure out branding. I began by asking ChatGPT for 50 YouTube channel names. There were many options, but I decided on Motivation Mantra. I like this one. For our profile picture, I used Lexica, an open-source AI image generator. Now search for the image that you like. For the banner, I simply used the profile picture in Canva to create banner. Now that branding is complete, the real challenge is creating videos. To start, we need to target a specific group of people. For me, I want to target individuals who want to stay motivated in 2023. I turned to ChatGPT and asked it to give me short story ideas in the style of Buddha for someone who wants to stay motivated in 2023. Once the story is written, all you have to do is copy it and move on to the next step, creating the voice. I went to ElevenLabs, a free tool that uses advanced AI technology to generate voices that sound like real people. I pasted the story that I copied from ChatGPT and selected the desired voice and hit download. Once you have downloaded the audio, go to canva.com and click on video. Next, upload your audio file and search for the desired scene. Customize the video by selecting visuals. If you don't know how to access Canva for free, comment down below and I'll guide you or make a video on this topic. Once you have selected all your scenes, click on download.
Once upon a time, there was a person coming to a new village, relocating, and he was wondering if he would like it there. So he went to a Zen master and asked, "Do you think I will like it in this village? Are the people nice?"
Once upon a time, there was a man who was walking in the wilderness. He was lost and hungry, and he had no idea how he was going to survive. But then, he stumbled upon a beautiful tree that was full of ripe fruit.
Alright, I think this is going to work now. We need a thumbnail for this video. So for that, you need to come again to Lexica AI. Now generate your image and come to Canva to create a thumbnail. Click on the YouTube thumbnail. From here, you need to upload your image. Now you can add some text to make it stand out. So take your time to create a thumbnail. Now, just click on share and download a thumbnail from here. Now, to upload the video, we need the title and description. For that, I used ChatGPT to generate the title and description, and boom! Everything is done by AI. Now go to your channel, click on upload, paste the title and description, upload the thumbnail and publish the video. Congratulations, your channel is ready. I hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.